I want to introduce a revolutionary power bank to you, to your friends. This is our new product. It's a graphene power bank. Why it is special? Because this power bank could be fully charged within 15 minutes. It was packed with an OLED display, which could show the voltage, which could show the battery status, and when you charge your photos, when it is fully charged, it could show the voltage and the amps in time. Also, it is equipped with an LED lamp. You can take it for tourism or take it out on the go. What's more, it has 2 inputs and 1 output. The input have one Type-C interface, another is micro, which could also be charged faster for you. So look at this, they are very similar. This one is small, with 10,000 mAh, and this one is 5,000. Because this one is graphene power bank, and this one is normal. And also, this one also have an LED lamp. This one also same. Now the graphene power bank uses the graphene battery cell, so the battery inside will be quite big. But in the future, we will adapt more slim battery cell packed in this power bank. So customers would get the slim graphene power bank in the future. And there's another accessories for this graphene power bank. Is this? This is a special adapter for the graphene power bank. This one inside have a power delivery function, which could support maximum 80 watts. Also, what's more, it has a Type-C input, could charge this graphene power bank. Also, it is compatible to charge your MacBook. Let me give you an example. When you insert the Type-C interface, now it is start to charging. This graphene power bank is well prepared for the customers. So we are looking for distributors and OEM brand holders to make cooperations with us.